Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of a tool that's quickly gaining attention in the startup and developer space, Dreamlit AI. If you've ever built an app or a SaaS product and found email automation frustrating, setting up APIs, dealing with triggers, writing templates, and managing deliverability, then this video is for you. In this review, I'll break down what Dreamlit AI is, what it's used for, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, whether this one is one of the best SaaS tools that you can use today. Let's get started. Dreamlit AI is an AI-powered email automation platform designed primarily for modern web apps and SaaS products. Instead of manually coding email workflows, Dreamlit allows you to create, to manage, and automate emails simply by chatting with AI. You describe what you want in plain English, and Dreamlit builds the workflow for you. This includes everything from welcome emails, onboarding sequences, one-off broadcast emails, recurring emails, password reset emails, transactional notifications, and user activity alerts. What makes Dreamlit stand out is that it connects directly into your database, especially Supabase or PostgreSQL. That means it listens to real-time events happening inside your app, like new user signups or data updates, and automatically sends emails when these events occur. Now, let us talk about the main features of Dreamlit. AI-powered workflow creation. This is Dreamlit's biggest strength. You don't create workflows manually. Instead, you describe what you want in natural language in the box, and the AI builds the entire email logic for you. It builds the triggers, the conditions, and the message content. Direct database integration. Dreamlit connects straight to your database and reacts to changes instantly. When a new user signs up or a record changes, Dreamlit knows and responds in real time. No code experience. You don't need to write code or manage APIs. This makes Dreamlit accessible to founders, product managers, marketers, and even non-technical creators. Smart email templates. The AI generates clean, professional, and responsive email templates automatically. You can customize them, preview them, and test them before going live. Multiple email use cases. Dreamlit supports multiple email use cases like onboarding sequences, transactional emails, authentication emails, internal notifications, recurring reminders, and one-off broadcasts, all from one dashboard. Reliable email delivery. Dreamlit uses enterprise-grade infrastructure behind the scenes, helping ensure that your emails land in inboxes rather than spam folders. Live preview and testing. Before activating any workflow, you can preview emails using real data from your database, so you know exactly what users will see. Now let us talk about the pricing of Dreamlit. Dreamlit keeps the pricing simple and startup friendly. There's the free plan. You don't have to pay for anything. It's perfect for getting started. And there's a pro plan at $20 per month for growing teams and businesses. What are the pros and cons of using Dreamlit? First, the pros. It is extremely beginner friendly. No coding is required at all. It is AI driven, which saves time. There's real-time reaction to database events, and it covers both marketing and transactional emails. The generous free plan is also good to get started, and it scales smoothly as your product grows. How about the cons? There's a limited database support. It mainly supports Supabase and PostgreSQL. It is still a newer platform, so advanced analytics are not as deep as the older tools. And it requires domain setup, which might feel technical for complete beginners. It is not ideal for cold email campaigns or complex multi-channel automation. Of course, these are not deal breakers, but they're just important to know. So the big question once again is Dreamlit AI the best SaaS tool for email automation? The honest answer is, for the right audience, yes, absolutely. If you're building a modern app or a SaaS product and you want fast setup, no-code automation, AI-assisted workflows, and real-time database-driven emails, then Dreamlit AI is one of the most exciting tools that you can use right now. However, if you need extremely advanced marketing funnels, multi-channel automation, or support for multiple database types, you may find Dreamlit a bit limited at this stage. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Resend, MailChimp, and Postmark. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.